Hey guys, Gartner here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an oil change on your vehicle, which should be done about every 3,000 miles or so. Alright, and before we get started, I'm going to be showing you what kind of equipment we're going to be needing. Get your ratchet and appropriate size socket, along with oil filter wrench, a drain pan to put the oil in, a creeper, which makes it a lot easier to get underneath the vehicle. You don't need one of these, but it helps. And a rag to clean up the mess, because it might get kind of messy. Alright, and the first step would be to crawl underneath of your vehicle and locate the oil drain plug. Once you have located your oil drain plug, take your ratchet and appropriate size socket and loosen the plug to drain it into the pan. While you are draining your oil, take time to locate your oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench by slipping it over and turning it. Once all of your old oil is drained out, make sure to tighten the oil drain plug back up. Next would be to get the correct oil filter for your vehicle. Once you have the correct oil filter, make sure to take some oil and put it around this O-ring right here to make sure it seals properly. Then, once again, crawl under your vehicle and replace the oil filter. Once you are done draining your oil and tightening up the plug, go up under the hood and fill with the correct amount and correct type of oil. You can find that information in your vehicle's owner's manual. And make sure you properly dispose of your used oil. Almost all parts stores will accept used motor oil. And then you are ready to drive your vehicle again for another 3,000 miles.